Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so my name is Prerna teacher. I teach you which subject? I teach you English subject. Okay, so today I am back with some studies. Are you all interested in studies? Yes, so you want to study? Yes, very good children. So, what we do before starting our day? We start our day with some warm-up exercise. So, are you ready? Yes. So, first we will do. Okay. So, hands up, down. Roll, 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 roll. Stop. Roll, 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 roll. Stop. Roll, 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 roll. Stop. Now close your eyes. Touch your head, touch your eyes, touch your cheeks, touch your ears, touch your hands, legs. Then rub your eyes faster, 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 faster. Don't open your eyes, don't open your eyes. Now touch your eyes and full face. And open your eyes. Yes, now you are feeling fresh. So, today teacher is going to take the revision. What are we going to do today? Today teacher is going to take the revision of what we have studied it earlier in the last lectures. So now, in the last lectures we have studied the vowels. What we have studied? The vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O and U. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels and rest all alphabets are known as the consonants. Very good. So, what is the sound? A, E, I, O, So, these are the vowels with the sound, and in the last lectures we have studied the vowels with the 3-letter words. We have formed many 3-letter words with this vowels. So today we are going to do the revision of short vowel U. What we are going to do? We are going to do the revision of short vowel U. We have already seen it in the last lecture, what teacher has taught, and today again we are going to see it in the form of revision. So are you ready? Yes. So first we will say a rhyme. What are we going to say? We are going to say a rhyme on you. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, start. Say. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel So this rhyme is like, listen to me carefully. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say this letter every day. Which letter we have to say? The letter A. The alphabet is U, with the sound of the alphabet is A. Okay, so we are going to study the short vowel U. And now we are going to see the 3-letter words with the short vowel U. Our first picture is this. This is a bug. How we are going to spell it? See, B-U-G, bug. Now with the sound B-A-G, bug. B-A-G, bug. B-A-G, bug. So B-U-G, bug. Then comes nut. N-U-T, nut. N-A-T, nut. N-A-T, nut. N-A-T, nut. Then comes sun. S-U-N, sun. S-A-N, sun. S-A-N, sun. S-A-N, sun. Then comes hut. H-U-T, hut. H-A-T, hut. H-A-T, hut. H-A-T, hut. Then comes cup. C-U-P, cup. Cup. P, cup. K, P, cup. K, P, cup. Then comes bus. B-U-S, bus. How we are going to spell it? B-U-S, bus. With the sound B-A-S, bus. B-A-S, bus. B-A-S, bus. Then comes rug. R-U-G, rug. R-U-G, rug. R-A-G, rug. R-A-G, rug. R-A-G, rug. Then comes gum. G-U-M, gum. G-M, gum. G-M, gum. G-M, gum. G-M, gum. So these were the letters that we have formed with the help of short vowel U, that is A. Okay, there are many words that come in this, but these are some small 3-letter words that we have seen, and now I have some more words which we are going to solve it through activity. Okay, these are some words, you can look here. These are some words. What we have to use in it? We have to use the short vowel U and form 3-letter words. Okay, what we have to form? We have to form 3-letter words. So first is R dash N. R dash N. What we have to add here? We have to add U. Okay, now we will add here U. Now we will see what is the word form. R U N. R N. It's what it is? Run. What is the word form? Run. R N. Run. R U N. Run. Next is F and N. Now what we have to add here? U. So we'll add here U. Okay. U. Now F U N. Fun. 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 F U N. Fun. Then comes G and N. Now here also we are adding short vowel U. Now the word formed is G A N. Gun. G U N. Gun. G U N. Gun. G A N. Gun. Now we have seen G U N. Gun. And the last word is B and N. B and N. Now here also we are adding short vowel U. Now what is the letter word form? It's B A N. Bun. B U N. Bun. B U N. Bun. Okay. So these are some words that we have seen in short vowel U. What we have seen today, we have seen short vowel U. Once again, we will see all the words that we have studied till now. First one is bug, B-U-G, bug. Then G-U-M, gum. C-U-P, cup. H-U-T, hut. B-U-S, bus. R-U-G, rug. S-U-N, sun. R-U-N, run. F-U-N, fun. G-U-N, gun. And the last word was B-U-N, bun. Okay, so this was all for today. This was our revision on short vowel U. The sound is and the rhyme that we have done was I like to say the letter every day. Which letter? The letter U with the sound I like to say this letter every day. I like to say this letter every day. The short vowel So this was all for today. Till then, bye.